Hey everybody, Tad Stevens, Micro Success Secrets. Want to do a quick video on Michael Cheney's new Partners in Profit Internet Marketing Affiliate Marketing video. Check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I've got something for you at the end.
I can do something that you can't. I can generate $1,000 to $2,000 a day each and every single day like clockwork. And I've been doing this for almost 14 years now. And so can all of my partners, customers, and clients. And to be honest, I'm pretty proud of the fact that if you were in my shoes, I bet you would be able to do this too. You see, as I speak to you here today, I can hand on heart say I've created a 7-figure business that runs almost on autopilot, bringing me in thousands and thousands of dollars and life-changing money for me and my partners. And I'm assuming if you're here watching this video right now that you can't do any of that. Well, at least not yet, because I don't say any of this to rub it in your face. I'm saying it so you realize why you should be paying attention. And more importantly, so I can show you how I can help you do that too. Because you don't care about what I can do for myself. That's not what's important here. What's more important than that is what I can do for you. That's all that really matters. And what I can do for you is let you get in on the action so you can sit on the other side of the table and partner with me on my 7-figure business, where you become my partner and pick up 100% of the profits on my 7-figure affiliate system, where commissions run as high as $417.95 a sale, and you get 100% of that money straight to your bank account. What's more, I'll show you how to get a steady stream of sales, customers, and commissions and turn our partnership into one of the most profitable of your life. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, then you're in the right place. Now, I'm going to assume something about you, because if you're anything like me, when you started learning about making money online, you always dreamed of having a lifestyle business, something that would pay you $200, $500, or even $1,000 or more a day to fund your lifestyle. My guess is that you even tried this in the past and it just didn't work out that way. All the gurus have been telling you that making money online would be just so easy, but the reality is very different. Because the truth is, the gurus leave out all the pieces of the puzzle that you really need in order to really make money. Most online business owners I talk to are struggling to make sales, unable to pay themselves, and let's be honest, they don't really want to run a business. They just want all the money and the lifestyle associated with having a successful and profitable business. Now, smart online business owners, however, who work less and earn more, are doing something different. You see, smart online business owners are promoting other people's products and picking up 100% of the commissions in the process. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do here today. Introducing Partner and Profit, a done-for-you money-making system that all you have to do is promote and pick up 100% of the profits and up to $417.95 for every single sale. And what's more is we'll show you how anyone can do this without setting up a website and without any expensive or unpredictable paid traffic, without paying for softwares or any of the things that most people tell you you need to do in order to make money online. Because with the Partner and Profit system, we do all of that for you. We've built the websites, we've made the training, we handle all of the customer support, we deal with the payment processing, we deal with the complaints, we deal with all of the headaches of running a business so that you don't have to. We've figured all the hard stuff out so that all you have to do is say yes to partnering with me and picking up your share of the profits. Because I know the pain that you're having as you try to make money online or as a business owner. I went through it to build my 7-figure business so that you don't have to. And you're not the first people that I've helped make money online either.
Michael Cheney has made me money. Thank you, Michael. Looking forward to more and crushing it in 2022.
Yes, this guy is the real deal. Michael Cheney made me money. Thanks, Michael.
Michael Cheney made me money.
Michael Cheney made me money.
Hi, Michael Cheney has made me money. Thanks, Michael.
Good afternoon. Michael Cheney made me money. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Michael Cheney made me money.
In fact, just yesterday, a client hit me up and said this: I made $13,905 in 6 days. And then the other day, I got another email from another client that hit me up and said I tripled my income literally overnight and made $2,000 in just 4 days. The day before that, I had a client came out of nowhere, absolutely nowhere, and he said I made $78,767.90 in the past 90 days because of your program. So you know this works. All you need is something that's proven to work so you can focus on only what matters: sales, customers, and commissions. And so that's exactly why we've created this program for you here today. All you have to do is just reach out and grab it. Now you're probably wondering how much this is going to cost you. And that's the best part. Right now, we're practically giving Partner and Profit away. And the reason is we want to help as many people as possible. We know you're going to love partnering on the business that we share. So by making the price super low, this keeps the purchase an absolute no-brainer. So what should you do next? Order your copy of Partner and Profit now. Seriously, what's your reason for not doing it? We're practically giving it away, and we both know that if you hold off and don't grab your copy now, you might never see this page again, and you'll lose out on this opportunity. It's time to make a decision. If you've gotten this far, then now is your time to act. Be decisive, take control of your business. If you sit on the fence, you'll be left behind. It's just that simple. So now is the time to act. Now is the time to take this opportunity by the hand and run with it. It's the smart people who invest today and implement the Partner and Profit system who will reap the rewards. You will be the ones who work less and earn more from a business built and run 100% for you. So if you've gotten this far, claim your copy of Partner and Profit now before it's too late.
All right. Hope you like that. I'll have a link to sign up if you're interested in that at the end of this video. And also look down in the comments towards the bottom of the description. I've got a free handout, free affiliate marketing checklist handout that's better than most courses you can buy. So if you're interested, check that out or go get Michael's stuff. He has some really quality stuff. I'm a member in his group. I'm an affiliate marketer for his offers as well. And you could be too.